Hello, I am Dr. J and in this video we will write part 2 of model letter number 4. This is video number 2 of model letter 4. As you know, this is a IELTS general training task 1 course, letter writing course. Look at the please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my letter writing course. I have started from overview of general training task 1, band descriptors, types of IELTS letters, how to write formal, informal and semi-formal letters, top 10 tips, common phrasal verbs, contraction and many more. Specific language for letters of complaint, inquiry, request, many more. Then I would write more than 12 model letters in my course. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. You can see this is an overview of my playlist of my channel. If you go to playlist of my channel, you can see there is essay writing course, there is a grammar course, essay writing course 54 videos, grammar course 50 videos and 73 videos, in vocabulary course there would be more videos later on. This was our task for today. You and your family are living in a rented accommodation and you are not satisfied with the furniture, and you write a letter to the landlord. Introduce yourself, explain what is wrong and what action you would like the landlord to take. This was our brainstorming. First of all, I would give address, medical student, I met you, purpose. Then the problem, first problem is table, about table, leg is broken, cannot eat, fixed, get it fixed, buy a new one. These are the actions. So the second one was I have written in the last video was about sofa that was dirty, old fashioned, and we would like to get it cleaned or buy a new one. This is our introduction. We have already written this. Let us move to the body paragraphs. In first body we will write about table. Do you remember the dining table? Do you remember the dining table leg? Dining table's leg was in bad condition when we moved in. Do you remember the dining table's leg was in bad condition when we moved in? Then what? Unfortunately, it broke last week. And what is the result of this? We are unable to use it to dine. Okay, so just I'm giving some background about what is the result. To expand my letter, to extend it, what I would like the landlord to do, I was wondering if you could send I was wondering if you could send a repairman. You could send a repairman to get it fixed. I was wondering if you could send a repairman to get it fixed. So if you cannot do this, let us give some other option also to make a complete body paragraph to complete the letter. If it is not possible, then please allow me to get it repaired. If it is not possible, then please allow me to get it repaired. Do you remember the dining table's leg was in bad condition when we moved in? Unfortunately, it broke last week and we are unable to use it to dine. I was wondering if you could send a repair man to get it fixed. If it is not possible, then please allow me to get it repaired. So then we have to move to the second body paragraph, which is about sofa. You can, as it is semi-formal letter, you can add some linking words that are formal. Moreover, the sofa in our main living room is dirty and old-fashioned. I would be grateful if you could get it cleaned. Moreover, the sofa in our main living room is dirty and old-fashioned. I would be grateful if you could get it cleaned. Or let us join it, or better still, buy a new one. Better still, buy a new one. Then I would write a closing phrase about, as you can see, this is semi-formal letter, so I have to write according to my type of letter. I would say, I look forward, so you should give a space between each paragraph. I look forward to hearing from you. You can stop it here, as you are asking for any favor, any work, so you can also thank him, and thanks in advance. Then you have to close your letter. As you can see, this is a semi-formal letter. In semi-formal letter, we can add yours sincerely, best regard. These are two that I have short listed for you. Yours sincerely. You can also write best regards. Yours sincerely is also fine for a semi-formal letter. Then you would write your complete name, John Smith, or any, just make it up, or write your real one, as you wish. So after writing this letter, you have to proofread your letter. In proofreading, first of all, you have to look at your tone. Your letter is consistent with a semi-formal letter or formal informal letter throughout. There is use of throughout. Look at the salutation, dear sir or madam, or dear Mr. Look at the purpose and closing. It is according to the type of letter. So contraction is very important to look at. Punctuation is very important. You can make some punctuation mistakes. Spelling is also very important. spelling and spelling is very important. Grammar, any grammar mistake, subject, verb, agreement. So all of these things that are common in your letters, so you should revise them at the last 1 or 2 minutes. Just proofread quickly throughout your letter. This is very important. You can make some silly mistakes. After watching my complete letter writing course, you would be able to write very good letters. But remember, always you should always get some feedback from any true IELTS expert. I would also start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would work together with an IELTS expert from UK, a native English teacher, and provide you advanced, comprehensive, and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Also join my Facebook groups for more information. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.